Hi guys, Randy with Guaranty. Hey, today I'm going to show you a little Apex Nano, a little single axle trailer that weighs 2,900 pounds with a nice little layout. It's got bunks for kids. Let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so as we go in, guys, you see our bed in the front goes straight across. So we have a sideways bed with overhead storage and reading lights. We have a small two-person dinette that we have a great sale price on. That's in our flyer, so that's an excellent price for this. So we have a nice two-person dinette, and then we have behind me on the left is the bunks for the kids. So a small trailer with bunk beds, a bed for mom and dad, place to sit and have breakfast. Still does come with a cook stove and a microwave down below, a forced air heater, lots of nice little cabinet storage, refrigeration, top and bottom. It's not a half a fridge, it's a full one, which is nice. It's got a cute little bathroom across the back for the kids and mom, and everybody's happy then. Little corner shower, medicine cabinet. The key to this trailer is it weighs 2,900 pounds, and I have bunks for my kids. I have a bed that we can sleep in. No slide outs. Don't worry about slide out weight or slide out leaking or the extra money it costs to own a slide out. A small price point, a small lightweight trailer, tow it with a Nissan Frontier, some of the small 5,000 pound rigs, but a cute little lightweight trailer. That's what everybody asked for. I got one. Let's go look at the outside. So on this, we still get a nice little area to sit out inside on. We have our power awning across the top that comes about 8 feet out. So give us about a 12 by 8 extra room outside. Place to put your lawn chairs and your gear. Has our jacks on all the corners for stability. Has our nice bumper for our storage for our sewage tube or a spare tire. And on this side, we got an outside shower, our water heater, all our hookups, our sewer, our water, our black water flush, our cable and satellite. We have a little storage here. Carry your tools, your barbecue, your blocks. It's nice to have that. A lot of them don't have that little extra one. You only got the one across the front, but this has both. This is the marine power hookup for your power cord. That's from the marine industry. It's very nice. Our potable water's here. In this little guy, you'll have 35 gallons. We have our pass-through storage. So another big area to kill all kinds of gear. The key to this trailer is that it's a lightweight and you can tow it with a small vehicle. So you want to keep it pared down. That's why it's limited in storage on the outside. It's limited for only one bottle in the front to help keep the weight down. Doesn't have the big power jack, the extra weight of the bottles, or the extra battery. We put one battery on it. But all that means weight. So people are buying this because they can tow it with their rig. So you don't want to overload it. Again, a fiberglass coach, aluminum frame, with quality built by Coachmen, and it's a nice Apex. So if you want a small lightweight bunkhouse that fits the budget for the family, this is a nice one. Come out and check it out. Thanks for looking.